As a guest services leader, a major part of what you get to do is create an outstanding first impression and make sure people feel welcomed to Life.Church, whether they've been coming for 10 years or have only just taken their first 10 steps inside the door. Will Rogers once said that you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So we have to get this right, because for so many people, guest services is the very first thing that they ever see when they step into a Life.Church campus. Because while it might be important for a business to get people to come back, it's so much more important that we get people to come back to church, because we have the greatest mission on earth, and you are on the front lines of that mission. So let's bring our A game every weekend. Now you may be wondering, what does that look like? What is a win at guest services? It's easy. Be here on time or early. Wear your LifeKids shirt. Be present and fully engaged. Don't stand behind the guest services desk, but be in the lobby, engaging with people, high-fiving kids, greeting every family that comes in the door. If a family needs help, don't point them in the direction they need to go, but walk with them, getting to know them along the way. Take families through every step of the process, from greeting all the way to taking their kids to their classroom with them. Then it gets really fun. Look for ways to go above and beyond. Maybe that's walking them to the auditorium, or maybe it's remembering these new families as they come out of the auditorium and seeing how they enjoyed the experience. Perhaps you write them a card thanking them for being here and inviting them to come back, or inviting them to take their next steps. These are all great ways to win as a guest services leader. And now I want you to think of this. If you were showing up to Life.Church for the very first time, how would you want to be treated? Or better yet, if somebody that you cared about showed up for the first time, how would you hope that they were treated? If you keep this in mind, you're going to be on the right path to creating a warm and welcoming environment. Thank you so much for all that you do in setting the stage for families to have a wonderful experience.